topic is going to be decimals and place value. So before understanding decimals and place value, let us have an understanding about the whole numbers. Let us take a quick recap of whole numbers. So first, let us understand the notion of a whole. So what is a whole? Like, you know that the value of all fractions is determined relative to the value of the unit or whole. For example, take a circle here. So, if I talk about this circle, then this is a whole quantity. This is a whole quantity, right? But if I part it, like take it as this is not a circle, as you can see, like it is of color yellow. So take it as it is a mango. So it is a mango. And if I divide this mango into you and your brother or your sister, then what will happen? It will have two parts, and both parts will be like 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 because you and your sister is going to take half and half. Okay, so before dividing the mango, it was one mango, and after dividing, it is half and half. Okay, so from here, we have understanding about whole numbers that the whole numbers are the numbers without fractions. When I had made the two parts, these are not wholes, these are fractions. After dividing, these are what? These are fractions, these are not wholes. But before dividing, the mango was whole, it was a complete mango, and it is a collection of positive integers or a zero. So, if we want to represent a whole, then we have to represent it with W, a complete W, and the set of numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the whole numbers will be represented as nothing or a null value. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till infinity. So if we talk about the partition that we already have discussed, so whole numbers can be partitioned into equal sized unit fractions. They will be partitioned into equal sized unit fractions. Like you can see here 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. So here we are going with like fractions, that is the whole is 4. The whole is 4 means this thing, this circle is full when it is 1. When it is 1 unit, it is full, it is whole. But if I divide this circle into 4 equal parts, then this circle is going to be 4 by 4, that is 1. Means this circle has 4 equal parts, and those equal parts will be taken as 1 by 4, and if I take two parts together, then it is 2 by 4. If I take three parts together, then it will be 3 by 4, and so on. So here, if a shape, let us take a shape which has 7 parts, then how it will go? It will go in a series of 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, and up to 7 by 7. Okay, so let us move further. Here comes the repetition of unit fractions. So what is the repetition of unit fraction? Like we were talking about 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. So it is a repetition of unit fraction. But if I add all these three, then what will happen? It will be like 6 by 7. So it will turn into a non-unit fraction. It will turn into a non-unit fraction. Or let us take equal fractions like 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. then it will become 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, then it will become 3 by 5, which is 3/5, and it is a non-unit fraction. It is a non-unit fraction. Understood? Now let us move further. If I take you to the benchmark fraction, then it will be supposed to be like, let us change the color. It will be supposed to be like, let us take a point 0 here and take it as 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. So it was the number line which you used to take like for integers. But if I talk about the decimals, then the number line will be like, it will be like 0, and we will take tenths here like 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, and similarly here I will take whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0 is representing us the decimal. Okay, so here if I take 0 as a benchmark, so it will become a benchmark fraction. Let us just suppose 0 as a benchmark fraction. So mostly the taken benchmark fractions are 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. These are some visualizing fractional quantities which we used to take on a number line while representing some fractions. Now understanding decimals, which is our core topic. So decimals are the fractions with denominators that are the powers of 10. What is it? We have already understood one whole quantity, and if we will go towards 1/10, 100, 1000, then we will come to know about decimal, the use of decimal. Okay, so if I am writing 0.1, then what is it representing? It is representing ones, tens, hundreds, a decimal here, and then 1/10, tenth, I can say, tenth, hundreds, then thousands. Okay, so here it is a decimal. So now 0 is on which place? If I talk about, then it is on ones place. If I talk about 1, then it is on 10th place. Okay, it is on 10th place. So this is like representing the place values in decimal. Now, if I have to change something like 2 into 10, then it will become what? 20. I'm just telling you that how to multiply and how to change the place values. Okay, so this is 2, and I'm just multiplying 10 with 2 so that it is becoming 20. If I will go with 2 into 10 to the power 2, then it will become what? 200. If I go with 2 into 10 to the power 3, then it will become what? 2000. So these are just changing the quantities, and these are increasing the values. Okay. Now, if I have to take 0.2 into 10 to the power 1, then the value of 2 will go on left side. Likewise, it will become 2. And if I go with 0.2 into 10 to the power 2, then the value will go 2 places back, that is 20. If I take, it will move 0.2, it will move on right side, on right side. Let us solve it. When I will replace decimal from here, then it will become 2 upon 100, which is 0.02. And if I take it as 0.2 divided by 10 to the power 2, then it will give me 0.002. I hope you have understood the decimal still here, and rest we will cover in the next part of the video. Thank you.